Hey guys, welcome back. I just landed from Panama City right now at the Miami airport, waiting for my brother to come pick me up. And don't worry if you can't hear me, because I figured out a good little nifty thing. Check this out. Nice, always ready to go. The only problem is I wanted to do the recap, and unfortunately we're not really getting enough Wi-Fi to load the charts. This is OBS, but pretty much how my charts look too. So we're gonna do the rest of the recap once I get back to my brother's house in the Keys. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of an airport scene. Check this, girlfriend's in the corner. She looks so sad. So in a few minutes, my brother will be coming. I thought I was going to be able to squeeze in the recap video. I even had the microphone out because I wasn't getting this microphone to work with the laptop. You know how it goes with all these weird settings. So I'll see you guys then in an hour or so. And then this video is going to be uploaded pretty late today, but it is what it is. Live recaps every single day the market's open. So that's just life for you, you know. You just can do. So I'm just gonna be chilling with my Corona outfit on, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Ciao, ciao. Okay, guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I'm in the guest room with my brother. I'll show you some more scenic stuff later, but it's getting kind of late, and I just kind of want to wrap the recap up. So you see here, I'm down $200. But before I talk about what trades I did in the morning, but before I had to run to the airport, I got to show you guys this one thing really fast here from Wall Street's Bet, because I thought it was absolutely hilarious. If you scroll down here, you know, sometimes I complain about tickers that have news, and the news literally says this ticker is up today because it's being traded. I find it such ridiculous news. Anyway, here on Wall Street Bet, they have this really funny meme. It says all lobster prices have increased due to higher lobster prices. And I feel like this just sums up I don't know, some of 2020 and some of 2021. Okay, yeah, sorry, that was just my girlfriend being a girlfriend. And okay, so so what do we got here? We got one more meme here. Welcome to the stock market where prices are made up and the earnings don't matter. These two things really got me today, specifically the lobster prices, because I thought this was just gold. All right, now let's circle back. Let's talk about what tickers I traded today and why I was red today. Because look at it, XENE up 117% today, and somehow I'm down on it. I'm down on this ticker for a specific reason. We'll talk about that in a second. Let's just go through each one, and then I think it'll make a lot of sense, because starting with OPGN, man, everything is just all over the place right now. It's hard to do these recaps in bed. So you can see I had a wrap up before the market opened. I did watch the market open for a little bit, but then we had to go downstairs, get breakfast quickly, get the Uber, and go to the airport. And I always have a really hard time trading, usually when I'm under time pressure. But I don't think that was really the problem today. I think that today, just pre-market, was a disaster. Everything was under like 20-30%, and we just weren't really seeing anything that was worthwhile. And wow, OPGN, it's hard to look on this chart because the 180-day simple moving average is so high. But small gap day, big resistance above, but pretty decent volume, so that was pretty nice. Let me just open here. What we got here, 113 million market cap. That's not too bad. 38 million shares outstanding. That's pretty nice, lower size. Oh, you know what? Day Trader 2 is on. Let me actually correct this too. I knew there was something wrong about my screen. And then let's go back to OPGN. That's the ticker, OPGN. Yeah, okay, here it is. Okay, everything makes way more sense now. I was like, why does my charts feel so off? Here you can see it on the daily, showing a little bit more clarity. Big resistance here around 3.5, and then even above that, like $4 big resistance on the daily back here. And this kind of area around 375 as well is worth noting. So I traded this one after there was a bit of a front side rally here. I tried to trade these pullbacks, look for continuation. We didn't get it, and then I actually tried a little bit of a fake breakdown to the downside here, thinking we get a quick move to the upside. That didn't work, and I kind of dug myself a little bit of a hole here. But I did do a little bit of backside and range trading where I made back some of my losses. But overall, I mean, OPGN, that open was disastrous. So I don't think I could have really done much better at that one. So OPGN was just a total fail today. And then we had our lead gapper today, XENE. Let's talk about this one. I'm down $90 on this one. I'm actually down $90 for kind of a legit reason. And let me explain why. There is blue sky ticker. So this one, all-time highs, looking pretty nice. A little bit of a larger stock though, $1.3 billion market cap. That's pretty big. Biotech with a catalyst and offering. So also not really that hot in terms of what we usually like trading. Anyway, this ticker popped up here, was up 100%, but it consolidated all pre-market, so it wasn't really that interesting to trade. And then I was like, okay, well, we found a little bit of a bottom. We're popping back up, and this is where I made a huge mistake. I just got done trading a different ticker, and I jump into this one right away with 1,000 shares instead of 100 shares. So I was up 10x of my ideal position size. So I was up $26,000 right away when I wanted to go up $2,600 and then keep buying $2,600 up to, let's say, maybe $10,000 or $15,000. So instantly I was spooked out because I didn't know if we would flush again or whatnot. So I just closed it and I took my $90 loss when, you know, I could have done my $100, averaged up or averaged down, whatever. It went up like 6% or so. It would have been a nice little winner. Maybe made like $200-300 off of it. But that accident, that quick changing, not looking at my quantity, just going in right away, messed me up. And I don't really regret it because this ticker was pretty flushy. So I didn't want to get stuck in a flush and all of a sudden lose. You know, if I was just 2-3% down on a $26,000 position size, that'd be pretty devastating. You know, we'd be south of $500 very quick. So yeah, I don't know. If I had time to stick around all day, maybe I could have got some of these moves, but I don't know, kind of slow price action overall, and all of this was very delayed. Plus, I usually stop trading by like 10:30, 11, so I'm not really sure how I would have done on this ticker. RDHL, this one popped up for a little bit and then disappeared just as fast. You could see here, just, you know, popped up pre-market. There was a bit of a front side move here, and then it was pretty much over. I traded some of these pullbacks here. I'm up about $15 on this one, so I won some and I lost some. I remember in this area I was thinking we might see a red to green move, or at least attempt to a red to green move. That's why I was trying to trade some of these backsides, but they all failed. And on the daily, this one's an absolute disaster. I mean, this one, big resistance here at 575, and it's pretty much a backside dip on the daily, so not the best action. And then PROG, let's quickly wrap it up with this one. Let's see if I can click on this. I got my mouse on the bed and everything's just a little bit extra tricky right now. Okay, so daily backside as well, popped up here, big resistance, also just not that nice. And then on the, oh wow, this had a huge flush. Oh my god, 36%. Must be some offering. Let's see, live news. Yeah, so they had an offering, DPO. Man, it's been so nasty lately. This is my 4th red day in a row. Luckily, all red days have been small. That's pretty much the name of the game. You know, just if you're having a red day, or just, you know, if you're not in the groove, just keep your red days small. And that's pretty much all we had to do. With PROG, I wasn't watching this one, unfortunately, at the open because we had a pretty good move. We had a pullback and then a second move, 15% overall. I came on this one a little bit late, traded the pullback, made a little profit there, traded this pullback again, but I closed right away. And then there was one last move here. And at this point, I pretty much was packing my bags at the same time and I needed to leave. So this was pretty much, yeah, this was the last trade I did on the day. And you could see here, I pretty much had no confidence. When this pulled back, I sold on the first bounce. And so that really wraps up today. Just wasn't really seeing anything worth trading. And I felt like, okay, yeah, I was down like $200 today, but who cares? Like, let me not keep gunning it. There's no point. One, I have to leave, so my mind is somewhere else. And then two, there's nothing even worth trading. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, guys, I hope you appreciate this last little quick recap. I hope you found some value in it. Don't forget to drop a like if you did. Easiest way to support the channel. I'll see you guys then first thing tomorrow morning in Florida, new location. I'm super stoked to be here. So, all right, guys, that's it for now. Have a great night, everyone. And like always, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao, ciao.